Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change currency in Facebook Marketplace. Ever wondered how to change the currency on your Facebook Marketplace listings? By default, your currency is set automatically based on your location. For instance, if you're in Japan, it will display prices in yen. But don't worry, you can still change it manually. Start by going to your menu, then tap the Settings and Privacy, head into Settings. From there, scroll down to Payments and tap MetaPay. You'll be redirected to a page showing your orders and payments. Now navigate to Security and Controls, where you'll find a currency option. Tap that, select your preferred currency from the list, and you're all set. It's that easy to customize your marketplace experience to fit your region or business needs. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.